Hello, LRNR. This is Carrie, your professor for fall 2020. And I went ahead and published the week 6. And there are a couple of items that I need to make you aware of. First, that there's a progression to this week that needs to be followed. So that progression is outlined in the overview and some of our objectives. Um, but I really need you to complete our discussion first. So we'll be going into banned books. So this is one of the assignments, one of two assignments that are being assigned this week. But this particular banned books assignment isn't due until October 4th, so not until next week. But I will encourage you to look through that, and we'll go over that in more depth in lecture. And with some examples uploaded. So where I'd like you to go is this concept mapping, and this is our discussion post for the week. You will be drawing a concept map on a piece of paper, taking a photograph with your smartphone, and then uploading that to our discussion board. This it's asking also that you provide a narrative after you upload your mind map, your concept map, whatever you want to call it. And we'll then reply or post to 2 of your classmates by Sunday. So Wednesday, we really want to have that photograph of the concept map taken and uploaded to allow for your peers to respond by Sunday. So this is a critical element to our class where we're using each other, using our peers to help get new insights or recognize gaps or offer suggestions. So this week's lecture module goes into research and building a research question. So we have to build the research question first before we can get to the thesis. And this video on the who, what, where, and when is very, very helpful. So please pay close attention and annotate critically when you're watching these videos, because we will directly apply those concepts to our assignment and our research question. So, and these good research criteria, which we'll also be going over in greater depth in lecture. So I'm just skimming past this. You will need to do a knowledge check. And okay, so finally, our final assignment for the week is going to include a more formalized version of the concept map. This is not something that you're sharing, but this is a download assignment, and this is how we'll be building our research question, and we'll be using some outside sources, including the research guide, using our a new tab that's been created called research question. And this goes into some helpful outside sources, including these outside websites, the Brookings Institute, TED Talks, Intelligence US, procon.org, and also Topic Generator. Just want to show you Topic Generator real quick. This is a very helpful little exploder, if you will. So if we go to science and technology, maybe intelligence, if we're doing artificial intelligence, and right up here, so it's starting to give us some topic ideas that we could connect with, say, artificial intelligence and animal intelligence, or Alzheimer's disease. These are ways that we could brainstorm connections that we may have never thought of. All right, so these are, this is just one of the helpful resources that our connected in our research guide under research question that you'll need to use to do this assignment. But this assignment is due on Sunday at midnight. But you'll really need to finish that the mind mapping, the concept mapping first. And then don't worry too much about the banned books analysis. If you want to get a head start on this assignment, you will need to check out a banned book from the library. So start deciding which banned book you'd like to look at. You can check out a children's book, you can check out a young adult publication, you can check out a classic text. There is a vast amount of banned or challenged resources out there, and there's quite a few links here, and there is a research guide as well that links to just issues about banned books. So it won't be difficult for you to find the book. The next step you'll need to do will be finding some outside scholarly sources, and one of them can be from the American Library Association listed here. So you'll need to pull out a quote or a statistic or a piece of evidence from your sources, from your two outside sources, and bring them into your presentation. And your presentation is one of two things. It can be between a 500 to 750 word paper, MLA format, double spaced, all that good stuff. And there are examples provided on the next slide. Or you can do a 3 to 5 minute video uploaded to YouTube with the attached link. And this, can be a really attractive method for approaching this assignment, and can also be an artifact that you eventually upload into your ePortfolio. You still, if you do the video, you still have to answer all of the questions and you still have to provide the citations. But it's a different method for completing this exercise. Okay, so this is worth 30 points and this will be due October 4th. All right, so that's it for right now. I hope you all are having a great Monday, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Have a good day.